Hello guitarists! In today's video we are going to make some 3-note tunes on our Stapehouse board using notes that we know how to play on our guitars so that we can write a tune and then play it. So the notes that we know so far, we know the note E, which we all know is the first string. We know the note B, which is our second string. We know the note F, so finish off the roof. That's our first finger on the first fret of the first string. We know the note C for Celia in her room, in room number 3. C is on the second string in the first fret. And our 2 new notes that we've learned. We've got G for getting harder, getting higher on the note builder's ladder. There he is on the second rung of the ladder here. G for getting harder, getting higher. That's our 3rd string. 1, 2, 3. We count from the bottom. That's G. And our last new note is the note A for Amos. A for Amos is on that 3rd string again, but this time we're going to take our middle finger, our second finger, 1, 2, and put it on the 2nd fret of our 3rd string. Okay? And that's our A. So those are all of the notes we know so far. Wow! Look at how many notes we know. That's fantastic. Let's take all of our notes. And what I'd like you to do is choose 3 of your notes. I want one of them to be a note builder. So a note builder and 2 other notes, any 2 that you like. Then we can write a tune. Your note builder. Decide whether you'd like your note builder to make the note G or the note F, because those are the 2 notes we know from our note builder so far. And then we can write our tune. Decide what order you want to go in. Our first note will always go at the beginning of our tune here near the treble clef plant. All of the characters go in their own spaces. They couldn't go, B couldn't fly up here. He's got to stay in on his windowsill. And the characters all stay in their rooms, and the note builder has to go on whichever rung of the ladder we need for that particular note. So if it's G, it needs to go on the 2nd line. If it's F, it needs to go up here, finishing off the roof. So maybe my 2nd note of my tune, let's have E. And then the 3rd note of my tune, I'm going to go with G. 1, 2, 3 notes in our tune. 1 at the beginning near the treble clef, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end. Let's see if we can play it. So we've got B to start with. That's our 2nd string. E, that's our 1st string. And G, that's our 3rd string. Brilliant. Now, collect all your characters together, even the ones you've put aside earlier. Mix them all up. Let's choose some different characters. 1 note builder and 2 other characters. Any 2 you like. This time, because I put my note builder on the G last time, I think I'll put it on the F this time. I'm even going to start my tune with it. Let's put him over there. So I'm starting my tune with the note F, and then I've got Amos the ant. Let's put him as our middle note, our 2nd note in our tune. And I've got Celia the centipede on the end. So I'm going to start with the note F. My finger is in the 1st fret on the 1st string. Then I'm going to play the note A on the 3rd string with my 2nd finger, and then I'm going to play the note C on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Play your tunes a few times so that you can get used to moving from all the different notes. You've got lots of notes that you know how to play now, so you can make lots of different tunes with all of these notes that you know how to play. Have fun!